Clouds TV, empowering lives.
Wale watu wa One World Order, they are doing anything possible. Na by the way, tuombee Trump. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. It could be anaweza kukosa kukua soni ini. Hallelujah. Tumuombee sana because this guy is sent by God and they know, and that is why they want to make sure he does not get the swearing in. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. They are prepared to bring him down. They are prepared to shoot him down. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. They will do an attempt somehow at some before now and then. They will try something to make sure haigi, because they want to make sure the American portal haikubalishi a man of God. He may not be good. Trump si mtu mzuri, lakini he is being used by God. Watatuma corona Kenya, nyinyi mutaiambia stop. Not in Kenya. Watafunga maski, hamutafunga maski, maana muko na uwezo.
China may now have a mystery virus on the prowl. According to reports, China has been battling an outbreak of human metapneumovirus, or HMPV. What is known about it? How dangerous is it? As per the information available so far, HMPV causes symptoms similar to influenza as well as COVID-19. However, unlike the two, it currently does not have any corresponding vaccine. How concerning is that?
Barely 5 days after Apostle Ndura Waruinge gave the prophecy of Donald Trump facing opposition as he awaits his swearing in, the Elon Musk Tesla-owned Cybertruck has been blown outside Trump Hotel. Elon Musk, who has been seared to head the Department of Government Efficiency, has confirmed the explosion was caused by the explosive put on the Cybertruck, thus the fulfillment of the prophecy by man of God.
I'm here to give you really a brief update on what occurred on Las Vegas Boulevard this morning. As you know, we just had our New Year's Eve event where we successfully protected the city, where over 400,000 people were here last night. And that changed this morning at about 8:40 when a 2024 Tesla Cybertruck pulled into the area valet of the Trump International Hotel. Very quickly thereafter that, the driver, who was the sole occupant of the truck, we saw what looked like maybe some sort of smoke, and then the truck exploded. Smoke was coming from inside of the truck after we noticed the flash and the explosion, and I'm going to show you that first video. That's the Cybertruck parked right in front of the doors. Can you play that again, Carlos? So the individual that was in that truck is obviously deceased, still in the truck as we speak here today. Our fire department folks, Engine 12, a number of others, you'll hear from one of the fire chiefs here in just a moment, arrived very quickly along with my officers. And obviously we knew that we had a much larger event than just a vehicle fire. And so there's going to be a drone video that plays to my left again. You'll see as the fire initially, they covered it with the tarp to try to get it to go out. Once the fire went out through the suppression efforts of the fire department, you'll see some of the evidence in the back of the vehicle. So those are gasoline canisters. They are camp fuel canisters and large firework mortars. What I also would like you to pay attention to on that video, as you see that, it looks like the exterior of that truck is completely intact as it sits there. The fact that this was a Cybertruck really limited the damage that occurred inside of the valet, because it had most of the blast go up through the truck and out. In fact, if you look on that video, you'll see that the front glass doors at the Trump Hotel were not even broken by that blast, which they were parked directly in front of. You can see that in the video there. We're able to trace that truck through the Tesla charging stations, and it arrived here in Las Vegas this morning at about 7:30 and went up and down Las Vegas Boulevard before immediately pulling into the Trump Towers. Unfortunately, there were 7 people that reported injuries during this incident. All of them still remain as minor injuries and were treated at UMC. I would like to thank the Resorts World because, as you know, we had to close down the Trump and evacuate it, as well as the Fashion Show Mall. And the Resorts World was very gracious in taking those hundreds of individuals in over there, housing them and feeding them prior to us being able to completely clear the hotel. The hotel and fashion show are back open for business. The Trump will remain closed as we continue this lengthy investigation as we move forward.
Bethel Clouds TV, empowering lives.